Basic electronic tools are essential for anyone working with electronics, whether you're a hobbyist, student, or professional. Here's a list of some fundamental electronic tools. Multimeter. Function: measures voltage, current, and resistance. Use: troubleshooting, testing circuits. Soldering iron. Function: melts solder to join electronic components. Use: soldering components onto a circuit board. Soldering wire and soldering flux. Function: soldering wire conducts heat and electricity, flux helps in the soldering process. Use: connecting electronic components. Wire stripper. Function: removes insulation from wires. Use: preparing wires for soldering or connections. Needle nose pliers. Function: grips, bends, and cuts wires. Use: handling small components, bending leads. Diagonal cutters, wire cutters. Function: cuts wires and leads flush. Use: trimming excess wire. Breadboard. Function: temporary platform for prototyping circuits. Use: testing and designing circuits without soldering. Jumper wires. Function: connects components on a breadboard. Use: creating temporary connections in prototypes. Tweezers. Function: precise handling of small components. Use: placing and adjusting small parts on a circuit. Power supply. Function: provides a stable source of electrical power. Use: powering circuits during testing. Logic probe. Function: indicates the logic state, high or low, of a digital circuit. Use: troubleshooting digital circuits. Desoldering pump or solder wick. Function: removes excess solder. Use: desoldering components. Anti-static wrist strap. Function: prevents the buildup of static electricity. Use: protects sensitive electronic components from electrostatic discharge. Digital caliper. Function: measures the dimensions of electronic components. Use: checking component sizes for compatibility. Crimping tool and connectors. Function: attaches connectors to the ends of wires. Use: making secure electrical connections. Heat shrink tubing. Function: insulates and protects electrical connections. Use: covering soldered joints for insulation. These basic electronic tools should cover a wide range of tasks involved in working with electronics. Depending on your specific projects, you may find additional tools helpful. Always prioritize safety and proper usage when working with electronic tools.